Hello again, welcome to my channel. This week we're looking at using words instead of beautiful. So don't say beautiful, say these words. So let's speak confident English and we'll look at this word, beautiful. Beautiful. So don't say beautiful, even though that is a beautiful flower. Say the word pretty. Pretty. Don't say beautiful. Use the word lovely. Don't say beautiful. Say the word gorgeous. Gorgeous. Don't repeat the word gorgeous or beautiful. Say the word attractive. Don't say attractive or gorgeous or pretty or beautiful. Say the word stunning. Stunning. Don't repeat the word stunning or gorgeous or attractive. Say the word exquisite. Exquisite. So we've got pretty, lovely, gorgeous, attractive, stunning and exquisite. Those are words you can say instead of saying beautiful. So let's look at some sentence structures. This is a pretty flower. So it starts off very simple, and then as my video goes on it gets a little bit more complicated. Nice. This dog is lovely. So I've put that adjective at the end. This dog is lovely. Still describes the dog. You can say the lovely dog, very basic, or this dog is lovely. What a gorgeous sky. What a gorgeous sky. So you're saying that sky looks beautiful. And you're saying it with a what? What a gorgeous sky. This is a very famous actor, George Clooney. He looks attractive. That's what my thoughts are. Maybe you don't think that. Maybe you think someone else looks attractive. Let me know. Who do you think looks attractive? Drop me a little comment in the box below. Who looks attractive? Another one. She is stunning. She is stunning. So I went for the more cultural difference there than George Clooney. I don't know this lady's name. Maybe you can tell me. But she just looks stunning to me. Her cultural outfit, the way she's got her makeup and her earrings, it's just, she looks stunning. So she is stunning. Some food. This food is exquisite. This food is exquisite. So let's read then. A lovely afternoon at the garden cafe. So there they are. A lovely afternoon at the garden cafe. It was a sunny afternoon. The gorgeous sky stretched above the garden cafe. A pretty flower bloomed beside the table. A lovely dog rested quietly in the shade. So I've used some of those words instead of using beautiful, gorgeous, pretty and lovely. Okay? Dialogue practice. I took the same people. Woman. Oh, you look quite attractive today. That shirt suits you. And you're a stunning woman. I'm lucky to be here with you. So attractive and stunning in a dialogue. Maybe you can use those phrases. If If you're talking to a man or a woman and you want to give them a compliment, you can use those phrases. This pasta is amazing. The food is exquisite here. You're right. It's delicious. Even your lovely dog seems happy here. So it's a lovely bowl of pasta with the dog. So you can use that if you are in a restaurant. So there you go. That's the end of today's class. You are improving daily communications with my lessons, and I'm pleased it's working. It's nice to hear your comments. So here is my email. If you want to have a lesson with me, many students have sent me an email and they've started having lessons. Some have started their IELTS. Some children have started their Cambridge exams, the KET and the PET and the FCE. So I've got lots of experience in English tests. And there is my Facebook. If you want to pop on my Facebook account, I'll talk to you there too. But don't forget, like and subscribe this video, and look forward to seeing you again soon. Thank you for watching, everyone. See you again next week. Bye bye.